Hello everyone, I've got a problem with my Tiago. It's got a really hard steering wheel. It looks like the electronic power steering pump or assist has failed. Now I'm suspecting that there's a fuse problem because I have tapped the fuse for my rear 12-volt socket, and last night I think whilst using it for tyre inflator I might have short-circuited it. So I've opened up the side panel and this is my fuse tap, which I've used for the 12-volt socket on the back, and the front blue fuse is the one for the rear 12-volt power, and this one is the original fuse which is for the EPAS system, and I think it's blown out. So what I'm gonna do is just simply swap out this fuse, and you get spare fuses in the engine bay. So if you open up the engine hood, and just behind the battery you have the fuse compartment, and this row of fuses are spare fuses. So there's a 5 amp spare fuse here. It's a brand new fuse, and I'm just going to swap it out, and hopefully it will fix my power steering problem. I've swapped out the fuse, and I'll just put this wire tap back where it belongs. And there it goes, and here is the blown out fuse. So it's clearly evident I've probably done some damage when I was using the rear 12-volt socket last night. So let's start up the engine and see if it's made a difference. And yep, it's working. Absolutely perfect. You can see, and twist it with one finger. Problem solved. Thank you.